Hello beauties, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved this half up half down hairstyle, so please continue watching to see the whole process. So I have sectioned my hair into two. I will go ahead and start braiding. I'll be braiding in medium sizes just because it prevents my hair from breaking. I'll be adding a little bit of hair extension just to, I feel like it protects my hair more. So I'll go ahead and braid the rest of the hair. Don't worry too much if the braids are not neat or they are looking rough. It doesn't really matter because the weave will cover it all up later on. So yeah, just don't bother too much. So with this last comb roll, I will join it with the rest and braid them all together just to get them out of the way for when I will start sewing the weave. I'll be using a 16-inch Brazilian straight hair. I'll be only using one bundle just because I just wanted it to look simple, and also because it's really hot this time of the year, so I just wanted to keep it, lightweight. You can decide to get a longer inches or even add an extra bundle. Trust me, there is enough space for two. This bit took me around 30 minutes to get done. Just take a few breaks if you need it. I would also like to state that once you get halfway through it, you need to measure the remaining tracks to see if it's going to cover the rest of the hair. Basically, to check the amount of space you need to leave between each track. Once I reach to the end, I don't really like cutting. What I do is I will sew the rest of the tracks down without cutting it. I'm done now with the down bit. What I did was take a bit of hair to cover it. That's how it's going to be. So I'll be using my Eco Style gel. This is my all-time favorite gel to style my hair. So I'll be placing it all over my hair. And then go ahead to comb it all out, just to make the gel sink into my hair. I'm not going to use a lot of gel. I will also use this brush. I don't know what it's called, but it's really good with slicking down your hair. This is actually a quick hairstyle. I feel like it's so good for summertime. You should definitely try it. I'll be using an elastic band to hold my hair again. After braiding it, I'll be using an elastic band again to hold it down. So you need at least 2 elastic bands for this. So we are done. I'll be using this bobby pin to hold down the starting point, just to secure it. I will use the rest of the track to go round the bun. Just take your time when doing this bit. When we get to the end, you need another bobby pin to hold it down. I'll take a bit of hair and I'll be using my argan oil mousse. I think it's from Cream de Nature or something like that. This is just to make the weave less slippery. So I'll be using that to cover my tracks and use another bobby pin to hold it down again. And that's basically it. So what I'll be doing now is I'll use my Tresemme heat protectant spray it first on my hair and then use my flat iron. So I'll basically do this to my natural hair and also on the wig, because I was going for a straight hair look. After a few days, I went ahead and coiled this hair and gave me a different look, and I loved it too. Thank you so much if you have watched up to this point, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel because there'll be more videos. And yeah, I hope you have enjoyed watching this video so far, and I really do hope you will try out this hairstyle. Like, it's such a summer hair, like why not? I'm going to go ahead and brush it out a little bit more. So this is the finished look. I was feeling myself. I couldn't believe it came out this good. Like, girl, I was actually acting like a model. Go girl. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.